Ross Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
yes, really. You want to start this
Stop
here?
acting brain
Okay, we could have started this a
seriously.
long time
You
ago.
need to
Okay.
stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, real.
Accusations abound as the father blames the mother for the case's 6-month delay. But is it really that easy? Delays in family court can occur for a variety of reasons, including personal grudges, financial evidence, and custody battles. Is there more to the story, or did the mother purposefully delay the case? The stakes are high and tensions are sure to blow up when money and kids are involved. Does that, however, excuse the mayhem that is breaking out in this courtroom? Leave a comment below with your thoughts on who you believe is taking too long.
I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck rolling and attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know.
The courtroom is rocked by a shocking accusation. Did he interfere with her protection in order to conceive? This is a serious accusation that might amount to abuse in the form of reproductive coercion. It is impossible to overestimate the emotional impact of this assertion. This involves deceit, control, and manipulation in addition to financial conflicts. But the crucial question still stands. Will this charge be upheld in court? Such assertions can easily turn into a he said, she said impasse in the absence of hard proof. What do you think? When deciding on custody and financial support, should courts take accusations like these into account? Tell us what you think.
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust
Yes.
fund. I got
Well,
my
let's
pension
not-
and my retirement, but the
So
problem
you
is
have a
he's
pension?
spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's
you have
spoiled.
A pension,
He's spoiled.
and you have
He
a
needs to get-
retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad. Because
No, I'm not mad
because
because I'm not mad behind that, okay?
What are you upset about?
I'm
exactly?
upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes, okay?
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls the trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
Oh
No,
my
you
gosh.
shot me in the leg,
Well, you
and it
know what?
hurt, and the medical bills
It was
are still
your
piling
ass.
up.
Stop,
Thank you very
stop,
much. Okay.
stop, stop,
you know what?
stop, stop.
Both of you, stop.
The shocking thing is that she shot him. A money argument has turned into a full-fledged criminal scene. She doesn't dispute the act, which is remarkable. However, the law actually states that shooting someone, even in self-defense, constitutes assault with a lethal weapon and is punishable by severe penalties. However, they are arguing over a trust fund rather than dealing with issue. Judges do not want to witness this type of parental behavior. Let's face it, is this incident hurting her reputation in court? Does someone who has committed violent crimes in the past have reduced eligibility to obtain or pay child support? Tell us what you think.
Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're gonna do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're gonna learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I wanna say up here, but I don't say it. So you're gonna learn how to behave. And stop shooting people. Just because you have a gun, that does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. Now you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay, it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
$63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not gonna ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not gonna do it. You do not apologize to me again. I just need you to sit over there, be quiet, and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
It's time to do some maths. The mother's $57,000 yearly income is used by the judge to determine child support. The catch is that the father is a beneficiary of a trust fund and relies on inherited wealth rather than wages. This presents a fascinating legal query. Should child support calculations take inherited riches into account? Although earned income is usually the basis for court payments, should investment income be handled differently? Do you believe that beneficiaries of trust funds should be given a financial pass, or that their wealth should be equated to a regular salary? Leave your comments below.
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but I don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
I
what?
gotta
And
pay for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me anyway.
Are you kidding me right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not gonna use that for the kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people dependent on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right, so payable at $55 a month, added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's all I need you to do.
I'm not even invested, so.
Well, you know what?
Invested
when you
I'm not, listen, it ain't about my kids.
You know
now.
what, Mr.
You
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me. That has nothing to do with anything now because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
What a case. Financial conflicts, gunshots, deceit, and a decision that infuriated both parties. Whether you're a working parent, student, or trust fund beneficiary, the courts expect both parties to contribute fairly. But among the drama, let's not forget the true issue. Child support is for the children, not the parents. It's your turn now. Did the mother bear an unjust burden, or was her suffering justified? And have you ever seen a more bizarre case in court? Leave a comment with your ideas. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy seeing these kinds of dramatic legal breakdowns. You'll see more incredible instances every week.